Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a longer text effect on the canva like this. And if on your computer, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this long text effect on your canva on your computer, just going to show in this video. For that, first step, for click on the app section on the side. Now just search as type lettering. So just type lettering here on the search, and you just search it, and you can find the first option, first app I just talking about. Click on this, open it, and here you can find a long shadow text here. Click on this, and now just type whatever the text you just needed. So like a long text and some dots here. So you can see how it's look like. And now you can just change the font here. If you just need to change the background color, you can just change it like this. And then you can just have the alignment if you just need it. Then after doing everything, you can just click on the add design option. So it will be added here. So it will be resized according to your design and your template size. So here I'm just going to adjust it to my template size. This is how it's look like. You can see. So this is how you just create this long text effect on the Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.